Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get Monzo QR code. So all you have to do is of course open your Monzo app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then once you're on the home screen, scroll down a bit until you see the option that says request money. You can find it just by clicking on the payments icon at the bottom of your screen. Then tap request money and then hit share a link to get paid. Monzo will then generate a screen showing a QR code along with a unique payment link tied to your account. From here, you've got a couple options. Someone can scan the QR code directly from your screen, or you can tap share to send the payment link through WhatsApp, email, iMessage, whatever works. And from there, it will even open a page where people can send you money using their cards. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can easily get Monzo QR code. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!